Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to delete all Snapchat messages. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat app on your phone and click into chats, and from here you can singly clear chat. So if you click and hold the user, and then you want to click on chat and notification settings. This is a new feature inside Snapchat. If you don't find this feature, make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. So once you've done that, come back here and click on chat and notification settings, and then you can click on clear from chat feed. So are you sure you want to clear this conversation? This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent message in your conversation, so you can go ahead and clear that. And also what you can do is, for another example, I'll go click on the user profile and then click on the gear icon, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then under account actions you got clear conversation, so you can click onto that. So to clear conversations completely, just simply click on the little cross button. So this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So please keep that in mind. So you go ahead and click on clear. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to clear and delete Snapchat messages. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.